up, guys?
It's your girl, Lavion.
It's your girl, Tavion.
And we are the
WALTERS Gang.
And we're back with another video, you guys. We have not posted in so long. That's why we're going to start posting now. We're going to try posting every day. No, not every day. We're going to try posting more often. We haven't been posting a lot because we're not busy. But we just forgot about the channel. But now we're going to start posting again, and yeah. So anyways, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is reacting to voice cracks on YouTube. So if you guys don't know what voice cracks are, I'm pretty sure everyone should know, but if you don't know what voice cracks are, it's like, say, if you're like talking or singing and your voice goes weird.
If it just stops, it just stops.
Like that. Gosh, you sound like a voice crack. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be reacting to, you guys. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications bell so that you guys can be notified every single time that we post new videos.
Walters Gang will be back.
Okay, guys, we got the screen recording to work, so now we're gonna react, and hopefully you guys like the video. So let's start.
But it'll never be enough, never be
That's how you sound.
No.
Yes.
But I woke up every day.
You said that every time. Hold on.
But I woke up every day.
Okay, that was funny. She went like, wait, let me see.
It's like
ready?
no sheep.
When I woke up every day. Does that sound good?
No. Every day.
Okay, let's go.
My home, sweet home.
Okay.
My home, sweet
I think they're at like a military or like the military or something. I don't know. But it was like a whole crowd with a military thing, and I don't even know what happened. But don't ever do that again. If that was me, that would be so embarrassing. I never knew that would actually come from him.
No.
I never knew he thought him sounded that bad.
God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, my home, sweet home.
That was something worse. I think they were singing the same thing, but like that one was
Different
worse. Hold on, let's replay that. Make
No,
sure you guys
the
hear
other
this properly. Let me see if this volume's turned up. Okay, it's turned up all the way.
No.
Home, sweet home.
라이브인데 저희가 다른 곡 뭐라고요? 다른 곡?
I don't even know what's happening.
Which check showed me the best Capital One card I can get approved for with 100% certainty, and it didn't impact my credit score. I wish I could be that certain about everything, like whether my kid's gonna be famous. The ball comes out! The ball comes out!
Here are the answers, and hope you guys enjoyed. Okay,
Okay.
guys, so
We're watching another video.
because the other one was like 2 minutes short, so we're gonna watch another one. Let's see.
The ball comes out! The ball has come out! Derek Johnson, the all-time leading tackler in the history of the Chiefs, with a touchdown for Kansas City!
Try not to laugh. Like for the second video, try not to laugh.
The only thing I came out with. Wow! I quit! What are you doing?
You laugh first. You laugh first. Hold on. Let's go back on that.
Wow! I quit! What are you doing?
Oh, okay, let's see what this one is.
What are you doing?
Because people obviously have to miss some classes due to the football.
Yeah, well, most of the days at lunchtime, a couple of the boys in the performance, and some of them are just talking to you, just normal, see them, like I see them every day.
I will see. No, I won't be.
And you say I'm negative. This kid goes around threatening people to blow him off. Osama.
There's a little bit of a...
So what about karma? Dude, you know he does have pussy, right? You know.
What's up, guys? Wait, let me hear it.
What's up?
Okay, let me know why.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Lavion,
It's your girl Tavion.
and we are the
W.
okay. You're doing. Oh my gosh! Why is my face like that? Okay, guys, hopefully you guys liked that video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you guys can be notified every single time that we post new videos. Walters Gang, we out.